Andy Johnson, a simple activity to help develop understanding and empathy, valence or valence, and arousal. Simple activity help to develop interpersonal connections within people, develop empathy and understanding, and within self, develop empathy and understanding of self. It's also a great way to make connections with books and literatures and make this a writing activity. Great with middle school and high school, can also be used with elementary. Directions 1, identify 3 significant life events and rate them on the 2 dimensions of valence and arousal, and I'll show you that in just a minute. And then we see, what does the cluster of events tell you about the events you considered significant? Valence would be positive or negative dimension of that mood. Was it a positive thing or a negative thing? And arousal, the degree or strength of that emotion. So you plot the events right here. And what does that tell you about the significance? You can move from life events to events this week as well. Adopt and adapt. All right? I have the form. You can download this at my website, but there is more extension. Think back over the past week, identify 3 to 5 events that seem to stand out, rate them, and again, share in small group. What does this tell you about your week, about your perception of the week? In small group, you share and describe that event. Participants rate and plot what they perceive to be valence and arousal dimensions of that event. And it helps you understand to empathize why people feel and to what degree they feel. Develop empathy and understanding. You can connect to literature. Identify events or actions before reading. They are reading, and after reading, students rate and plot. Then you can write your findings in a journal, share in small group, come to consensus, or describe similar real-life events. A simple activity. Simple activities are usually the best. Go to my website and you can see some forms right there. Valence and arousal.